drone, this mighty mini drone will do in this wind. I wanted this here, carrying here, so there's no trees or anything to block the wind. So we're going to get the full effects of the wind here. So let's check it out. So there's that Potensic Atom. It says it's ready to take off. Takeoff permitted. Go ahead and I'm in 4K 30. Confirm. Confirm. Not sure what the heck. IMU in preparation, keep the drone stationary. Okay, I've never seen that before. Maybe that's because I was messing around with it or whatever. I know I need to, you know what I need? A wind muff on this Ace Pro because it. Warning, IMU in preparation, keep the drone stationary. I don't know what that means. It says takeoff permitted. There it goes. I don't know what the problem was there.
Home point refreshed.
Let me get some shots of the drone on the GoPro there. Yeah, that's a nice and steady drone. It's really handling the wind pretty good. This is a really good budget drone for sure. Take it on up. Really good drone. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead, start recording, 4K 30. We'll take it all out. Yeah, it handles this wind good. This is a good drone. I love this little drone. I'm actually selling my Mavic 3 on eBay. If it's still up, I'll put the link down below. That wind's really kicking up. I'm selling it with. I got the regular, you know, the original Mavic 3 with the. Is it the RCN2? You know, the screen, the one without the screen, and I also have the DJRC with it as a combo. So I have it up there pretty cheap. So if I still have it by the time I put this up, I'll. I will put a link down below until it is done. Yeah, this thing's really hauling the mail out there. I've got it in regular mode, normal mode. It's doing 22 miles per hour across the lake here. It was supposed to snow today. I don't know if it's going to snow or not. It feels like it should. I was hoping it was going to be like snowing. Like I like flying in the snow. Gives a real dramatic kind of effect when you're flying in the snow. When these drones are flying in the snow, it's pretty cool looking. To me, anyway. I don't know. You can see those clouds flying from left to right there. They're really hauling the mail. This drone's hauling the mail too. I want to see how fast it's going to come on back. So we're all the way across the lake already. Pretty quick. So I'm going to stop right there. I need to turn GoPro off. Or stop the recording on it anyway. So I'm gonna just pan around here. Not much going on today. It's a kind of a dreary Sunday morning. Again, we lost an hour to the daylight savings time stuff. So I think I went to bed last night at like 7 o'clock. It was dark, but now I think it's not gonna be dark until like 9 o'clock, so oh well. So we're over at that boat launch over there. Quite breezy. I don't know if you can hear that on my phone or not. So we're looking over toward us, and there's the bridge. Let's fly over toward the bridge. So I'm going into the wind right here, and it's yeah, it's only doing like 15 miles per hour into the wind. Strong winds, may not be able to return. Okay, I get it. I know. That's why I came out here to test it out. So I'll probably not go straight toward the bridge and maybe more toward us, but just keep the bridge in shot there, because it's definitely fighting that wind. I keep getting a warning on there. It's even on my little radar screen down below, it's giving me the wind. It's going 4 and 5, like that's the level of wind resistance it's facing. And you can see just the ripples in the water. We're going against that wind, and it's really dragging. It's like going down to 12 miles per hour. So we'll start bringing it back this way. It does pretty good though. It's Potensic Atom, pretty damn good. Not the best day to be flying, but that's why I wanted to test this thing out. See how it would do against the wind. And it keeps showing me the wind resistance down there on the little radar. Going up to 4 and 5. It's quite breezy. But it's handling it pretty good, and you can see I'm on my way back straight out there in front of me at this little launch here. Probably the only one dumb enough to be out here today, flying a drone anyway. But it's the Potensic Atom. It's doing a hell of a job. Even the FPV on my Samsung S24 Ultra is real ultra. It's super clear. It's really good. And there it goes. You can hear that little guy ripping through the wind. And that's where I usually fly from up there. got these gloves, pretty heavy gloves, and it feels like the wind's going right through them. Yeah, you can see we're still in the winter time here. Yesterday was a beautiful morning. Well, no, it rained all day yesterday. It was supposed to snow today, but it didn't snow so far anyway. It feels like it could though. It's chilly. Right there is where I usually fly from, on that little road. Yeah, the Atom, Potensic Atom, it's a great drone. They just keep making it better. It flies great. I would compare this to a Mini 2. You know what I mean? Like a DJI Mini 2. Pretty damn good drone. So I'm gonna bring it on back. Still up there. Now here we are. So we'll bring that. Tends it going down. All right, so there it is. The Potensic Atom coming on down. You can see it fighting that wind. Doing a good job. Gonna go ahead and bring it on down. Do a little hand catch here. There it is, Potensic Atom. Did a hell of a job fighting that wind up to level 4 or 5 wind resistance. Anyway, that's what it was saying on the little radar down there in the left hand corner. I'm going to stop recording. So again guys, it's Brad from Showing Good Drone, Potensic Atom. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.